Namdon kano kan jingla thurumur.
Amidst allegations of discrepancies in the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission (JJM) in Meghalaya, PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak said that the matter is being politicized in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Talking to media persons, the minister said that Meghalaya has made significant strides in Jal Jeevan Mission implementation with 73.15% completion rate. Downplaying and refuting allegations of any corruption whatsoever in the implementation of the project, the minister said the projects are being geotagged after completion and there is no question of any corruption.
See, now the MP elections are coming. These are all politically planned, and then just to, just before the elections, they have to make this kind of a statement so that people will believe them and say that government is not doing anything. So I'm here to tell you that JJM implementations, as I have told you, that is very clear, very transparent. Payments are also very transparent, and before payments, works are also monitored very thoroughly, because even after completion of the projects, we have to geotech the projects.